I had mentioned to one of my friends that I was stressed out and I was having a hard time sleeping, and they recommended getting a grounding mat. So when the seller sent me this grounding mat, I was really excited to try it out. So what I like about this is it's really big, so you can actually sleep on it if you want. And it's made out of a nice thin material, and it's very comfortable. You can't even feel it when you're sleeping on it. Another thing that I really love is that there's a super long cord. The cord just snaps right onto it, and then you stand on this slippery smooth part. Now, I don't feel anything really when I'm standing on it. I just feel a little more relaxed. I've also noticed that I've slept a little bit better since using this. I really like this too because you can put this underneath your desk while you're working, and you can just put your feet on it, and it's constantly grounding you all day long. It really gives me a sense of calm, and I don't feel as stressed out as I did before. It folds up easily, and it doesn't take up much room at all. I really love this grounding mat, and I think you will too.